These are the news report of the Russian invasion against Ukraine on Sunday, 31st July 2022. Russia continued to hit Ukrainian soldiers' deployment point until the enemy ran out of military personnel. Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov informed that the high-precision air-based weapon have struck Ukrainian temporary deployment point of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade Unit near Kodyma, Donetsk People Republic. 50 soldiers, 2 Master B houses, and 10 pieces of military equipment have been destroyed. High-precision weapons of the Russian Aerospace Forces have hit a temporary deployment point of Kraken Nationalist Formation on the territory of Morozov Mechanical Technical School in Kharkiv. The enemy suffered more than 350 casualties. Also, 11 units of military equipment were destroyed. Operational Tactical and Army Aviation Messes troops and artillery struck to continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 13 command posts, including those of 95th Airborne Assault Brigade near Mayorsk, Donetsk People Republic, as well as 227 areas of enemy's manpower and military equipment concentration have been hit. Russian Aerospace Forces strikes have resulted in destruction up to 100 nationalists and 25 pieces of military equipment near Potenkino, Bologorka in Kherson region and Belaya Krenista in Nikolaev region. 4 ammunition depots near Murakovka in Nikolaev region, Serebianka in Donetsk People Republic, Zmiev in Kharkov region, and Nikolaev city have been also destroyed. United States-made M777 houses have been destroyed as part of the counter-battery warfare near Novopavlovka in Donetsk People Republic, as well as the Uragan multiple rocket launcher system and transport and loader vehicles. 9 platoons of the Grad multiple rocket launcher system, 4 artillery platoons of Giant B guns, 5 artillery platoons of D-30 guns at firing position have been suppressed near Velesnoye, Zaistovo, Zanovka, Razdolovka, Novgorodskoye, Zerzing, Orlovka, and Kurakovo in Donetsk People Republic. Russian air defense means shot down 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Ternovoya, Prisiv, Semenovka, Yakovenkovo, Petropavlovka in Kharkov region. In addition, 11 shells of multiple launch rocket systems have been intercepted in the air over Dolgenkoye in Sinichevko in Kharkov region. Chernobyevka in Kherson region, Novoivanovka, Alchev in Lugansk People Republic, Makivka, and Mospino in Donetsk People Republic. In total, 261 Ukrainian airplanes and 145 helicopters, 1,649 unmanned aerial vehicles, 361 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,194 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 773 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,220 field artillery and mortars, as well as 4,619 units of the special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation. Ukraine authorities also report the enemy losses until day 158. There are 223 Russian aircraft, 190 helicopters, and 1,763 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare systems, 259 multiple rocket launcher system, 2,902 vehicles fuel tanks, 735 unmanned aerial vehicles, and 15 boats were destroyed.